Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Preeti and I create makeup related videos. Today I've created this look, which is a lime crime look. If you wanna know how I created this, then keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. Firstly, I'll be using a face mist to prime my face. Then I'll use face oil to moisturize. Massage evenly all over the face so that no area is missed. Oil will act as a protective layer to protect against any sort of dryness. Now I will conceal my lids and create an even base. Blending it with a Real Techniques kabuki brush. Now I'm using a small fluffy brush and taking a dark brown shade, creating a crease line. Now I'm using a clean fluffy brush and blending it inwards. Inward strokes helps in creating perfect smoky look. I'm using concealer over my lids to create a base for my eyeshadow. I'll be using a very muted brown shade from this palette, which is a peachy brown shade, and place all over my lids. Now I have created a base for my glitter and blending everything with a fluffy brush. So my one eye is done, moving on to next eye. I'm back after taking a tiny break. Now let's begin with another eye. Doing the same process, making a crease line with a dark brown shade, blending everything outwards, making a V out of the crease. Don't worry about the mess, we'll clean it up. Taking a clean fluffy brush and blending everything. Don't put too much pressure on the lids. Use a light hand to blend everything, packing the concealer and placing the eyeshadow color. Now I'm doing my brows with a brown powder shade and setting everything with a spoolie brush, cleaning the surface of the brows, blending everything with a brush. Now using eye glitter by DS Cosmetics. This is a beautiful lime color glitter. You just need to place it all over your lids, and it is a very quick drying glitter. So this is my first time using it and placing it all over my lid, cleaning up the surface. Glitters tend to fall out, so cleaning up all the edges. Now moving on to the eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner from Stay Quirky. Doing my both eyes, and I'm making a very small wing. Now using the brown eyeshadow under the eyes and blending it using the falsies. This is a very tiring process. It took me years to put the eyelash on. Hydrating my lips, so we can move on to the face now. For face, I'm using this orange corrector which will hide the pigment and will create the flawless base. If you are watching till now, I would like you to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell icon to get further notified. While creating base, blending is the key. You have to just blend until you achieve the perfect smoothness. Now using the PAC foundation in 2.3, This is a very full coverage foundation. This shade matches me to the T. Setting it with a loose powder. I'm using very tidbit and just packing all over my face, contouring my face with Bonjour bronzer. All the products would be mentioned in the description, so don't worry about the products used. Now using highlighting concealer under my eyes and all other highlighting areas of my face so that my base looks flawless and highlighted. Setting it with a foundation brush. Using the Lash Renegade Mascara. Using the pink nude lipstick, which will make the look more subtle. Now topping up with a lip gloss from Maybelline. Using Makeup Obsession blush in pink. This is the final step, guys. I'm done. I'm using the face mist to set everything. How you like the look? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, I'll see you in my next video with more entertaining stuff. Stay home, stay safe.
So you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening?